بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Hello brothers and sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I would like to show you how we can compare between between two models. For example, I have this model. I completed this model and I want to check to another engineer to check the model if there's any mistake and to check the model for me. Okay, so this is the original one. I'll just save this model. Okay, I just save it, and after that I'll save as another one. For example, let's say to be sent or for check. Let's name it for check. So what I'm doing, I send this model for checking. Okay, after that the checker who look at the model well, and we see he see there's some mistake here in this plate and maybe in this plate. Okay, but after that what he did, he just correct this too. Right click by we can correct it. I want to just increase the width of the plate. So go to end plate and the width is, let's say, 180. Okay, so for this one I check this one, maybe this one also. Right click, advanced change properties. I'm sorry, general and plate. Again the same procedure. Okay, so he found we consider he found these two mistakes in our model. Okay, after that what he did, what he's doing, he sent as this model back. Okay, I'll close everything. Now what I'm doing, I'm just opening my the original one. Okay, so this is my original drawing, and I want to compare with his drawing, and I have to see what he did. Okay, for like these models, because it's a small model, so it's easy to find what he changed. Okay, but when we have a big model or a large model, it's kind of difficult to find or to switch between one by one joints. Okay, so we have a very cool thing which in the collaborate tab we go to DWG compare, and I will check it with the for check. Okay, I will check with this one and just click OK. Okay, that's very good. What I'm doing now is here there are some kind of changes. If you look at here, some in gray, some in red, someone in or others in green color. So how we change between these two, or how we can compare? Just go to here. As here there's no difference. What we can do, we can just click here, and anything is not different we can just delete it. So it's easier to for us to know what's the difference. As you see here, there's red. The red is not in this current drawing. We opened the original one, so not in current drawing. It means that from for check. Okay, this is from for check. So this because what's this? When we open the original one, not in current drawing will be the for check. The file the checker will send us back. Okay, and only in the current drawing, as you see, we just change it, and these are changes now. You see what I'm doing now? I can just click here only in this drawing. So we have in this drawing we have this one, as you see. The place is just like this. Okay, the place of the well and these bolts. And what can I do? I can just go to bring both of them. What I can do, I can import objects. I can select some objects and bring it to my model, or I can make another export a snapshot that what this makes. Let me go. This make a new drawing that with the comparison. Okay, So compare one versus the check. I'll just save it and it will open up automatically, and you see there are some difference between them. Okay, we can go, you see there's some things that different with this one. So we have this blade and this blade, but sometimes it gives us, you see there's no difference between these two, but anyhow where is there's the difference, it will give us into two separate drawings. You see here we have only, and if we open this one, there's no difference. We can see that there's no difference. And if we want to toggle between the draw order, you see there's a very small difference between these two. I think it's in the place, but it's not, it will not make us a big difference. Okay, but about the rest, if we go to here just like this, toggle between these two, you see you can feel there's a big difference, and you can see this one. So this is for today. Before I finish the video, I want to ask you to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to watch my advanced courses, you can find the link below on my Patreon page in the description box. So thank you very much.